Rachel from Using Technology Better here. Today we are going to look at the brand kit and setting up a brand kit for you within Canva. So first of all, you want to open up your business account on Canva, and then you want to head over here to the left to the brand. As you can see, I have already got a brand kit here, but over on the right hand side, if you tap onto add new, you can create your own brand kit. So today we're just going to make one which is all about the pet store. You can create it just like that. When you do create your brand, you will see that you have an option to pop in your logo. You've got the color palette, you've got the different fonts, so you can choose different fonts and sizes for all of your titles, subtitles, headings, etc. You've also got your brand voice. You can upload any photos that relate to your brand, and also graphics and icons. So first of all, the first thing you need to do is to create a logo. So you can upload one, and you can add one just here by tapping onto add new. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a logo. You can also add in some guidelines, and I'm just going to find one that I made previously. So there is my logo, and the cool thing about this is that the colors are going to automatically be made from your logo. So there you go. You can also add in some guidelines, so add some guidelines to help your team understand where and when to use the logo. So always put the logo at the bottom right of any branded item. Save that there, and that will give your team some guidelines. From there, you've got the colors. You can either keep them or you could add in your own ones. So we're going to keep those there. Then we're going to scroll down, and if we want to add in some new colors, you can do that. So you can move it around or add in some gradients too, which is really cool. When you scroll down, you can add in some new fonts, different text styles. You can also upload a font, so you can choose what font you want to be or to have for your main titles. Let's just pick this one, and then you can also choose the sizing. Add in your subtitles as well. I'm just going to go ahead and pick some random ones. Again, this is up to you, but this will stay here for your brand, and anybody will be able to use that. Again, I'm just popping in some random ones. You can also search for them if you want to, any quotes and things, and then your caption font as well. From there, you can add in your brand voice. So adding in a brand voice allows you to write guidelines on how to write in your brand voice. So it does give you a little bit of a tip down the bottom. Describe your brand's unique personality and how you communicate with your audience. Your voice is an important way to attract people to your brand, create connections, and build trust with them. For example, our voice is confident, casual, and friendly. So if I'm thinking of a pet store, I'm going to write that in here. So we are a New Zealand pet store. Our brand voice is casual, friendly, with some New Zealand humor. We like to be unique and sell toys for dogs that are strong and non-destructible. You can keep on adding in different bits there if you want to. Save that. You do have up to 500 characters, and then you can continue to add in any photos or any graphics or just any icons, again, to help your brand. On the side to the left, you'll see that you've got all of the different tabs, so you can just head straight to the colors by tapping on this. Any graphics, and then if you want to, you can also create a team, and you can add in your team members by popping in their email addresses. At the moment, my trial will end at this date, so this will tell you everything, and nothing is due. So if you do have any money owing, or you want to find out when your subscription is going to renew, that is all there too. So So that is creating a brand within Canva to help with all of your designs. My name is Rachel and I'm from Using Technology Better.